Today, we're diving into one of the most common fitness goals: how to lose belly fat with diet and exercise. Belly fat isn't just about appearance, it's about health. Excess belly fat can increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and more. But don't worry, because I'll share clear diet strategies, specific exercises, and actionable tips to help you achieve your goals. It's time to take control, not just for your body but for your health. And guess what? It's totally achievable. If you are new here, do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical diet and exercise strategies. It's free and it really supports our channel. The problem? Let's understand what we're dealing with. Belly fat, or visceral fat, surrounds our organs and can mess with hormones, insulin sensitivity, and metabolism. Spot reduction, like just doing crunches, doesn't work. Instead, we need a mix of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes for real results. Diet plan to lose belly fat. Alright, let's talk about diet. A healthy diet is key to how to lose belly fat with diet and exercise. Here's what you should focus on. Fruits and vegetables. These are low in calories and high in fiber. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. Example, 1 medium apple 95 calories, 1 cup spinach 7 calories. Lean proteins, foods like chicken breast, fish, and legumes help build muscle and keep you full longer. Example, 100 grams grilled chicken breast can have 165 calories. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide sustained energy. Example, half an avocado has 120 calories. Cutting out excess sugar. Sugar fuels belly fat. Replace refined sugar with alternatives like stevia, monk fruit sweetener, or natural honey in moderation. Carbs. Not all carbs are bad. Opt for complex carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice, which provide energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Example, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa you get 111 calories. Daily caloric target. To lose belly fat, aim for a 500 to 750 calorie deficit per day. This typically means consuming about 1,500 to 1,800 calories daily depending on your activity level. Exercises to lose belly fat. Exercise is the second pillar of how to lose belly fat fast. Here's an effective weekly routine: cardio, running, jump rope, cycling. Duration, 30 minutes, 4-5 times a week. Calories burned, 300 to 400 per session. Strength training, body weight exercises, dumbbells. Duration, 3 sessions per week, 45 minutes each. Calories burned, 200 to 300 per session. HIIT, high intensity interval training. Calories burned, 250 to 400 per session. Core workouts, planks, crunches, leg raises. Duration, 10 minutes, 5 times a week. Calories burned, 50 to 100 per session. Weekly plan: Monday, cardio plus core. Tuesday, strength training. Wednesday, HIIT plus core. Thursday, rest or light walk. Friday, cardio plus core. Saturday, strength training. Sunday, rest. Total weekly calorie burn, 2,000 to 2,500 calories. Lifestyle changes. These small habits create lasting results. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Stress management. Try meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Hydration. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. These habits, combined with diet and exercise, will help reduce stubborn belly fat and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key. Combine healthy eating, effective exercises, and positive lifestyle changes to see real results. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite belly fat loss tip in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep moving.